Fireworks.
If you ladies are scared, you can cuddle with me.
That's how we do. This man. I can't even see it, dude. What's up? My eyes are shaking. Long Beach City, eye wiggles. What?
What you keep saying?
Ask your son to spend night. Ask her, dude. Hey. Oh, your mom?
Hey guys, don't see nothing bad. Okay, homie's mom pregnant. Alright.
You should let me spend the night though, right? Okay. Where's the loud ones? Whoa. 805. Oh. You stare at it, look like. You stare at it, look like it's coming at you.
Yeah, kind of. What are you guys gonna be trying to do at the party?
Gather people,
just chill,
drink, meet people.
Meet people,
Yeah.
Does she know me? Amy? I'm sure she'll know you. Who's the delivery guy? You don't know her. Come over you.
Well, we could just meet new people. That's good.
They fuck around though. Try like don't get us fucked up or nothing.
I'm not.
Cause their parents like love me and shit. They don't want them to
Oh. Is it like a girlfriend or something?
Don't screw it. We're not gonna. I'm not.
It's not like we're gonna smoke over there.
Pepe?
It's not like we're gonna smoke over there.
We might. We might.
Oh, we might? Oh.
It took me forever. She finally agreed to. She's like, for like this whole year, she's like, if you go to my 15 fucked up, I'm kicking your ass out, right? And like, I'm not gonna talk to you for like the longest time. Finally, like a week ago, she finally agreed. She's like, okay, you can go fucked up. I suggested not, because my dad, her dad, always can tell when people are fucked up. Just not my dad.
Not off eating though.
What?
Not off eating.
You're not gonna.
You can't tell from eating. Bro. You're just too happy on it. It's like you just came from a field trip or something. Oh, that one was close.
So you don't want to go, Faye? You good? Where's your mom? She's gonna be here in 45.
And we told Kirk we were coming back. That's my stuff with Channy, right? Oh dang, still recording. Forgot. Am I shaking? Am I? Whoa. That was really sick. Oh, it's a snowman. It's an 8. It's another 8. A penis?
A penis?
Tear it up. It's kind of weird how they pop out little, huh? See it? It's pretty fun. Just in here, waiting to go to a quince, just chilling. faded, watching fireworks. And I'm done.